Cinnamon is one of the most used spices in the kitchen. You use it in foods to add flavor. But did you know that you can also use it to make your skin smoother and healthier? Cinnamon is commonly known as dalchini and has a sweet and woody taste. It is not only used in cooking at home but is also an ingredient in some medicines. Apart from its many health benefits, it also plays a role in benefiting your skin and making it brighter than before. For pimples and nail acne, cinnamon has the ability to heal acne and pimples because it has antibacterial properties that cleanse your skin. Add cinnamon powder to honey and apply it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes daily. It will heal pimples over time and give you an inner glow. Make a face pack by mixing cinnamon powder, curd and turmeric powder together, then apply this pack on your face and leave it on for at least 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off. This can help you get rid of acne within a week or two. For freckles and wrinkles, no one can avoid aging, but we can deal with wrinkles. Mix olive oil with cinnamon powder and apply it on the face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. It will rejuvenate your skin from within. The antioxidants found in cinnamon help protect the skin from wrinkles. For skin inflammation, if you feel that your skin is inflamed and you want to get rid of it, then cinnamon is the best option. For this, mix cinnamon powder with coconut oil and apply daily. You can also prepare and save the paste. Applying a paste/mask of cinnamon powder on your face can reduce inflammation.